Is your car's engine compartment dirty like that? Don't worry. I will introduce an amazing engine cleaner to you. Aeropak Engine Surface is a water-based formula. It has a strong cleaning power to remove grease and dirt on the engine surface. Non-flammable, non-abrasive, and phosphate-free. No harm to the plastic parts and will protect the engine surface. With a 500 milliliters volume, the liquid packaging guarantees safe shipping. It's very easy to use. Just spray the cleaner evenly on the engine compartment, wait a few minutes, and then wipe it gently with a brush or rag. Well, let's check out the after effect of using it. If you wish to clean your car engine, you can give this Aeropak Engine Surface Cleaner a shot.